Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to build your own tool in Relevance AI. Whether you are using a ready-made template or starting from scratch, Relevance AI makes it incredibly easy and flexible to automate small but powerful tasks like grouping data, sending emails, and handling simple workflows, all without writing any code. To get started, open Relevance AI and head over to the Tools sections. Once you are there, you will see a few options. You can click on View Template to explore existing templates that might already suit your needs. Alternatively, you can build the tool from scratch by clicking New Tool, which gives you full control over how the tool functions. Let's see a quick example. We will create a tool that sends an email using Gmail. First, we need to define the input variable required for the tool to run. In this case, we will name it email. We will rename the default text variable to email and make it as required. In the description field, we will write client's email address so the AI agent understands what this variable represents. This step is important because it helps the system know where to store incoming data like a customer email address. Next, we will add the process steps. Click on Add Step and search for Gmail in the list of available integrations. Choose the option Send Gmail email. Once selected, you will connect your Gmail account, which allows the tools to send emails on your behalf. In the setup, assign the email variable we just created to the to field and then write your message in the body section, something like Hello, welcome to join our company. We will notice the required fields are clearly marked, making it easy to fill out what's necessary. Once your tool is fully set up, you can run it to test how it works and simply save it for future use. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.